Example of Jefferson's method using Excel or Google Sheets, an example that will help you with project 2. So a lot of this you can refer to Hamilton's method, the beginning here. So first thing I need is the total equals, and it's giving me a suggestion. I like it. 12,500,000. Okay, now I do standard divisor, which is always the total population divided by the number of seats, 250 in this case. Standard divisor is 50,000. Standard quotas are the state's population divided by the standard divisor. And I have to make sure to put some dollar signs around the standard divisor. And it suggests an autofill, and I like it, except for the last one. I want that to be the sum of the numbers above it. Should be 250, good. Okay, lower quota. That's round down. Round down the standard quota to 0 decimal places. Take the autofill suggestion, except for the last one. I want that to be the sum of all the numbers above it, which is 246, which means I've given out too few seats. Too few seats. So that means I need to take my standard divisor and make it smaller. So instead of 50,000, let's try 40,000. Okay, so I'm now, to get my modified quota, I do the state's population divided by the modified divisor. Add some, I need to add some dollar signs around the J. Yes, I will autofill, except not this. The total for modified quota actually is meaningless, so I'm going to leave it blank. My final modified lower quota, that's round down. The modified quota to 0 decimal places. Yeah, I'll take that. And then, except for the last one, that needs to be the sum of the numbers above it, which is 310, which is much too big. I only have 250 seats to give out. Okay, so 310 is too big, which means I need to make the divisor bigger. And here's the beauty of Excel. I'm just going to change this divisor. Everything in my table will update until I find a divisor that gives me 250 here. So 310 is too big, so I need to make 40,000 bigger. But 50,000, remember, was too big, right? It has to be less than 50,000, but smaller than 40, but bigger than 40,000. So try something in between 45,000. 275. That's still too many. So that means this number is still too big. Sorry, this is still too many. This is still too big. So I need to make this number bigger. So let's try 47,000. Nope. This is still too big, so let's make it bigger. 48,000. And we're getting closer. This is still too big, so I need to make this even bigger. How about 49,000? Oh, I went above, right? I went, this number is now, yeah, okay, this is too big. This is too big, so I need to make this even bigger. How about 49,500? Perfect. We got it. 250 seats. So the beauty of using Excel is that this can be a little bit random. You don't have to follow that guideline of 0.5% for each seat off, because there's almost no time wasted in just trying a number. So you just type numbers in here until you find one that works.